look a mess, but there's a reason. I am planning on putting in box braids. It's been a while though. So I'm just going to do the parting in the front because that's like, you know, priority. And then the back, we're not gonna talk about the back, okay? I can't see the back of my head. If you're seeing the back of my head, then I'm more than likely walking away. So then by the time you process how messed up the parts are in the back, I'm gone. It's currently 2:30. I technically have today, tomorrow, and the day afterwards to sort of kind of do something with my hair. This is what I'm gonna do for here. Because if I can't physically, like, if I can't physically see you by looking straight in the mirror, if I can't see the part, it don't matter. It don't matter to me what it looks like in the back. Because I need to see how thick I made the other one. Expression hair, please stretched. But this is expression twist up.
She's an sadist.
Update. It's 6:33. 4 hours and all I did was this. Embarrassing. The hair and you do it again. So you just do this. You just braid it in. Just take the braiding hair. So curls, so it's like this, which looks ridiculous when the braid is like that, but it's okay. It is currently 11:11. I have completed the front portion of my hair. Back of my hair is ridiculous. So I'm gonna stop here for tonight and then continue tomorrow morning because I do need to sleep. We'll pick this up in a few hours. Mini update. Broke a nail.
Doesn't working as a menial laborer ever get to you?
Oh, this nanny gig is only temporary.
Update.
We're spotting J-Sock guys with no compunction about being impolite. We found him. The Gwen Jensen, hang a 5 on.
It's done. Took forever, but it's finally finished. I am now going to dip the hair Our boiled water. Yeah. I have a towel. Okay. Now, because I don't want this to get tangled, I'm just gonna rub my hands through it. Now that I'm doing this, I'm wondering, did I make this worse? Will this for sure be tangled now? Can you watch? Okay.
Much later. So this is me a week later. I had to take it out. They were matted. Also, because they kept getting tangled together, my scalp was itchy. So whenever you're doing this hairstyle, make sure you have human hair, or else this is gonna happen. So beware. I'm parting my hair. Well, who else gonna do it if it ain't me?